Nature play is any activity that gets children active or thinking actively outdoors. Skipping rocks, making mud pies, and catching bugs. The best kind of nature play is unstructured and free from formal rules or objectives, but sometimes it's helpful to have some simple activities on hand to get kids started. Each weekend, we will be providing some suggestions on how to encourage nature play at home. While not everyone has access to a forest or meadow to explore, there are plenty of ways to bring nature into your home and encourage play and observation. Nature play can incorporate physical aspects, like taking a hike or building a fort. Direct contact with nature has both mental and physical benefits. Children who are involved in regular outdoor play benefit from increased flexibility and gross motor skills. It can encourage artistic expression, a sense of adventure, and empathy for other living things. Spending time in nature keeps children's minds fresh. Playing outdoors grows resilience, self-confidence, initiative, and creativity. It encourages the joy of movement, it nurtures wild imaginations and experimentation. So tune in every weekend and get in touch with your wild side.